Remember, a chat or a games workshop didn't sponsor this video. This is intended to be my honest and humble opinion on this journey as a collector and hobby enthusiast. Stay a while and listen. Okay, guys, so question number one, why I'm doing this? Actually, I don't know, really. This is the year 2025, and basically there's no need for such a collection. This sounds like a boomer stuff, you know. But the nostalgia is strong in this one. So yeah, more than 35 years ago, I started my Warhammer fantasy collection with this magazine edition, and since then I never stopped. Now there's a lot of this combat patrol speaking online and stuff like that, and yeah, in Italy it's impossible to achieve this collection basically on the regular stores. So basically the only way is to get a subscription. This is my, honest and humble opinion on these chapters that actually they will send to me each month. The first one I think is a couple of numbers, then more and more during the next month. I will open the box with you, I will show you the content, we will build them together episode by episode. Hopefully this could be a cool series. And yeah, making these videos will help me to keep, to be constant and don't procrastinate the collection. I'm basically not a specialist in the Warhammer 40k, so this is a beautiful occasion for me to start the understanding of this huge and vast world. Without further ado, let's open the box. Come here. Quite a nice box. Let's open it without damage. Let's check it out. Okay, so we immediately start with some beautiful sprues. Yeah, this is oof. First exit. We have some tyrant, I think, here to build. And the first chapter of the first issue of the magazine. Nice, Space Marine, and yeah, we have already a Space Marine Capitano and a Tyrannid Primus with wings. I will show you later, but we have also immediately a second exit. Nice, so basically this one has 3 more jumpers. Von Ryan. Nice. I will show you closer immediately. That's it. Let me open this and then I will show you the content, okay? This is some ads for a subscription. This is something very nice. Okay, we don't need this actually. Crash. We have dice and some more stuff. Oh, this is nice. Advertising. Ooh, this is a poster, I think. Nice. We will see this together. Just wait a second. And already a beautiful mat for playing. Oh, this is nice, guys. This seems like a Necromunda style. I played a few skirmish games, you know that. Oh, this is very thick, beautiful. It's a beautiful mat. Nice. Let's have a closer look. So what is this all about? Basically is a official collection by Games Workshop, Warhammer 40k, and basically this is all about the creation of 9 combat patrols. Step by step, they are giving you brushes and stuff for the modeling. We don't need that. We hopefully will have some mug and some gifts. But yeah, also paint. And this is all the collection that we're gonna have, okay? It's a huge one. And also with the subscription, I will have special gifts like this Dreadnought Brutals, this Diamond Prince, some orc stuff, and at the end also a tank Rogaldorn. I don't know much, guys, but I know that this is a perfect occasion for start something new. Look at this beautiful poster. Oh my god, look at that. Really impressive. Really, really impressive, guys. I like it very, very much. You see? Beautiful. So this is the issue number 1. Let's check it out. We have an initial part on miniatures, how to assemble miniatures. Very nice. There is also a beautiful description of the color codes. Yeah, this is kind of pain in the ass because it's stick together. I don't like that. Look, already ruined. Not so beautiful. Welcome in the 41st millennia. Yeah, so we have a little bit of description. Oh, look, this is a shitty stuff. You see? There is glue and you cannot open it without breaking it. It's shit. Imperium, Chaos, Xenon, Space Marine, so there is a little bit of lore. Oh, but this is total ruined, you see? Ah, that's a pity. Little bit of lore. Let me see if I can. This. Yeah. Like so. Damn. This is the description of the first miniature, the captain, the Tyrannid. So also you have the technical data about the guys. So you have a description and characteristics on the back. Again, welcome. Yeah, again. So basically this is a battle mat that we have already. Very nice. Let me check this. It's not possible this. This is totally bad quality assembling. So this is kind of description of a battle. And once again, some ads. Not bad for the first issue. Let's check the second. Let's be honest, I will read them very quickly, but I'm here for the minis, okay? Everybody knows that. Again, how to assemble the minis, how to paint some other stuff. Imperium, this is some description and lore of the different stuff. These are invasion swarms of tyrant, you know. This is of course in Italian, guys, I'm sorry about that, but it's very, very well done. This one doesn't have the problem with the glue, so it's easier to read it. A second mission with some other, you know, quests. Second quest, you know, description of the battle. Nice. And once again, the final page with this. There is also a preview of the third expedition with 5 Marines Infernus. Very, very nice. Let's check this beautiful mini. This is the captain. We have dices. They are quite heavy, not a bad quality. I was expecting some plastic, you know, bullshit, but it's they are quite heavy. I like them very much. Very, very nice. So we do have a couple of bases, and this is the captain and the tyrant with wings. Yeah, can't wait to assemble it. Nice. And then we have 3 more fellas on the second issue. Yeah, nice. One, quite difficult to take off the bases, but yeah. A lot of trash. Of course, the quality is Games Workshop quality, so the minis are beautiful and fully detailed. So yeah, let's start to assemble them. This is something very complicated but beautiful, guys. My god, I'm always amazed by the Games Workshop minis. You see, I'm basically building the mini without any glue, which is kind of incredible in my opinion. What an amazing journey, guys. I think this will be a great adventure together. From the next episode, we will immediately start to paint some of them. I can't wait to see what's next, guys. More content for you on Patreon, guys. If you want to support me on Patreon, you will have access to a lot of extra material, and also you can participate to my fantasy modeling course that is online right now. So check it out, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!